Number 1. 1969 Ford F100 pickup truck, $8,500, San Rafael, California. A dependable classic Ford that originated in Texas and shows evidence of mild restoration. Its V8 engine features non-factory headers and an updated carburetor, starting reliably even after long periods of sitting. Although it lacks power steering and the speedometer is inoperable, essential electrical systems function correctly. The body shows only surface rust with a strong chassis, and the truck is believed to have a repaint. It cruises comfortably at highway speeds and comes with a clean title, making it a solid vintage driver. Number 2. 1957 Studebaker Transstar, $4,800, Kirkland, Washington. A significantly modified Transstar configured as a street rod project. Powered by a Chrysler 318 V8 and modern overdrive automatic transmission, it features upgraded front suspension and offset weld wheels. The interior combines 1990s Toyota Celica seats with a 1990s Pontiac Firebird tilt column. With missing dash components and minimal gauges, it presents a raw hot rod feel. Updated wiring provides room for accessories. A bold foundation for a custom build. Number 3. 1988 Chevrolet S10, $1,500, Silverdale, Washington. A rough yet running S10, powered by a long block 2.8 V6 installed approximately 45,000 miles ago. Originally four-wheel drive, it now operates in rear-wheel drive due to removed front components. The interior is stripped and moldy from a leaking windshield, with many systems missing, including air conditioning and heat. The body shows dents and clear coat failure, though rust is minimal. Despite its condition, it starts consistently and shifts well, serving as a functional budget work truck. Number 4. 1959 Studebaker Scotsman 1/2-ton short bed, $7,200, Mesa, Arizona. An impressively original Scotsman recently revived after long-term storage. The flathead 6- and 3-speed column shift with overdrive operates smoothly with no smoke. Recent updates include brakes, shocks, water pump, hoses, and carburetor rebuild. The body and frame are solid with only mild surface rust. Speedometer and lighting function properly. A rare, lightweight, and authentically preserved classic truck. Number 5. 1950 Ford F6 truck, $3,000, Spokane, Washington. A vintage medium-duty Ford fitted with a Chevrolet small block V8, Edelbrock carburetor, upgraded manifold, and new distributor. Although it does not currently run, the mechanical updates offer strong potential for a restoration project. Extra parts are included, and the truck carries a clean title, ideal for someone seeking a classic commercial-grade platform to rebuild or customize. Number 6. 1979 Chevrolet K20 6.6 longbed, $3,000, Fort Collins, Colorado. An all-original square-body K10 equipped with the factory 400 small block engine, TH400 automatic transmission, and four-wheel drive. The body is straight with intact trim, though rust and aged paint are significant. The interior remains complete but basic. After sitting, it will start with fresh fuel and a jump. A desirable, untouched project for winter restoration. $1950 Ford F100 Hot Rod, $9,500, Santa Cruz, California. A clean hot rod build featuring a 350 cubic inch Chevrolet engine, turbo 350 transmission, and Holley 600 carburetor mounted on a 1990s Chevrolet S10 chassis. The rust-free body and smooth ride make it suitable for daily use. Nearly new tires and an adjustable seat enhance comfort. Fully street legal with current registration. A ready-to-drive classic with reliable modern performance. Number 8. 1962 Ford F100, $8,500, Avenger, Texas. A patina-rich pro-street-style F100 retaining its original straight-six and 3-speed manual drivetrain. The truck runs well and has been clear-coated to preserve its weathered finish. Included are numerous new parts and boxes, such as a Bluetooth retro stereo, Crown Victoria swap components, and wheelie bars. All lights and gauges function. A low-mile farm truck transformed into a character-filled custom foundation with strong potential. Number 9. 1965 Ford 100 Twin Beam, $7,000, California. A well-maintained classic featuring a rebuilt V8, 4-speed manual transmission, rebuilt rear differential, disc brakes, and power steering. Showing 70,000 miles with some maintenance records, it is a dependable, ready-to-drive vintage pickup. The truck preserves much of its original charm while benefiting from key mechanical upgrades. Number 10. 1978 Chevrolet C20 Silverado, $8,000, Foyil, Oklahoma. A robust 3/4-ton Silverado powered by a 454 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. Equipped with air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, and tilt column. Recent updates include a rebuilt carburetor, new gaskets, plug wires, and headliner. Front left fender damage is addressed with included replacement panels and bumper. Runs and drives strong, making it suitable for regular use. Number 11. 1987 Ford F150 pickup, $600, Lapine, Oregon. An ultra-budget F150 equipped with a durable 300 inline-6 and 4-speed manual transmission. The truck has a clean title, straight body, good glass, and previously reliable drivetrain until a recent no-start issue. Many new ignition parts have already been installed, placing it close to running condition. The interior is decent, and a canopy is included. A simple and affordable project truck. Number 12. 1975 Chevrolet Cheyenne K20 3/4-ton, $9,500. Sparks, Nevada. A desirable square-body K20 wearing original paint and powered by a 400 small block with turbo 400 transmission. The frame and suspension are rust-free, though some fender rust is developing. Runs and drives well, but would benefit from basic cosmetic and mechanical attention. A highly sought-after heavy-duty four-wheel drive classic. Number 13. 1961 Ford F100, $7,000, Sun City, Arizona. A visually appealing F100 featuring fresh paint and interior work. The straight-six engine size is unknown, and the truck is currently not running despite a rebuilt carburetor. Equipped with a manual transmission, salvage title, and included bumpers without brackets. The diamond plate bed adds practicality. A stylish but incomplete project, ready for finishing. Number 14. 1961 Chevrolet Apache, $9,000, Hudson, Wisconsin. A sharp and clean Apache recently fitted with a brand new 350 cubic inch engine, producing 300 horsepower, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Upgraded with a Holley carburetor and aluminum intake. The truck has spent most of its life in the southern states and holds a clean title. Seller notes future improvements that will increase its price. A strong running and well-presented classic pickup.